So we're gonna do another one. So this is what my sister picked. So let's let her open it.
Because I picked it.
Hey, this is tape. If you want, you could use your mom's help. And you can see I'm wearing my same hat. And my same water bottle. And my other same water bottle. Oh my god. Take your time. Okay, wait, put it here. And flowers.
And stickers.
Oh, what's this foam?
And this stickers. This is mine, Mama. This is mine.
Oh, let me see what it is. Don't do that.
What is that?
Show them.
So
we're gonna see the
we need to open
Oh,
this.
I know. We're gonna see the directions.
And some glitter.
What?
Glitter here. Take time.
Let me stop saying that.
What is this for?
It's like flowers.
You have instructions.
Yeah, those are instructions.
You're gonna put this with this.
Like this?
Yeah, you see? It's inside.
So
there.
we need to take this one from out.
First, select the foam flower and place the flower on the poke-in pad. So take this one. One for you, one for you.
I have one.
I have one.
Good. Now
too.
choose a flower.
Can I have this?
Yeah, whatever you want. Choose one. You did it?
I want this
Now you need to
one.
open this one.
And take this pumpkin out.
Choose.
Then take this.
I have. Take your time. Wait,
Now I'm taking this.
Which color you want?
can we get the sparkly one? Okay.
One for you. Now you're taking one like this. And then you put it where you want it to be. And you put it inside the hole.
With the stick?
Like
Mhm.
this.
Let me see. No, like this, look. Take, and then
It is true. God, look. I want the purple one now. I'll do the first. I will do the last one of the flower. Because if you do the last ones, after it's going to be easier for you.
and then this in the middle one, the polka dot one after we're gonna do this. In the middle.
That's really cool, Mama.
I'll take green now.
I'm putting out the colors, like my favorites. Pink, pink, and pink. Oh, yellow.
It's so pretty, guys. Now I'll do the rest. Pop. Tap.
Oh, that's the wrong way.
Guys, look how I'm doing it. Like and subscribe if you think which one you think is better. Mine or Emma's. Look at the sparkly one. It's so tickly. And ouchies. So many purple. Well, I gotta pick one.
What else to pick?
I'll pick this nice pink one.
Look how much I did so pretty.
I need yellow.
Let's pick this light green.
Ah. Perfect.
Look at my flowers, guys. They're all pointed. Point.
And Mama, I want to keep this so we can do more, okay? More each day. Look, I'm almost done. And here's the direction. This is how it looks like. And then we could maybe put some stickers on the pot.
It's good.
Sticking.
Mine is all full.
Is it already done? I'm doing everything because I don't want them to see that actually I did it. Wait.
I'm doing okay, guys. I'm done. Look. Now we need to take
You sure it
this.
has to be all inside?
Yeah. And now we need to put this and put it here. Oh my god. More? Now, guys, look at mine.
I'm done too. Wait, actually, I don't think so.
Look at mine, guys. It's a flower.
Where is Polishcos? Let me pop it.
Next, I'm gonna do.
Guys, it looks like I'm having like this. Then. Can I have it?
Next, I'm do one.
I want mine to be up here. I want to take this pink butterfly.
Now I want to do this big one.
Can I see it? He's showing his wings off. This one is flying away. I'll take purple.
And to keep pink. Next, all the time, pink. Just sometimes. Oh my god, I need to do a lot. Sometimes I want.
You just have to put paper everywhere, then just point them.
Oh.
I want to do that.
You know what this is for?
What?
Stick it on this bottom over here, like this, and you can put it to the fridge. And it's gonna be on top of the refrigerator. So do it so nicely that we can put it on our refrigerator, and I will just look at it.
And
Remember, you did it.
oh, and can we put stickers?
Yeah, you're gonna put stickers here. Like this.
Yeah.
I
Bless
did.
you.
Bless you.
Thank you.
And you can use these ones too. More of these if you
I'm
want.
gonna put them
You
everywhere.
can unicorn stickers too if you want.
I'll put them everywhere because
I
after.
will put sprinkles everywhere to be easy.
Yeah. Easy peasy. Just gotta look for dots.
Like pop. And pop sweeps up and the pop prickle wrap.
Looks like you're spitting out. Oh no. Wait. I just like it.
Now we can do it.
Think so. Did I break it? There's a white one?
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Where's white? I need white.
Sorry, I have it.
There was a white one.
I only popped a little.
I'm
It
done,
shows, it
guys.
shows me behind.
I'm done, guys.
So quick. Oh no, you're not. Take your time. That's a little bit.
No, that's not like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Look at mine.
7, 8.
It's like real life. Yours is like fake. Did I break it? Yeah. Look, guys, I'm done.
Oh, me too.
Can I see it? Can I see it? I think it's a little bit.
No, that's not.
Wait, where's the polish go? Oh, here?
Where the polish goggles?
Here.
Here?
Inside the hole. The white hole. I can't even stick it. How to do this thing? It doesn't fit.
Maybe the other way.
The guy,
Ow.
look. Can I have a teapot? Flying up. I'm gonna put this a little bit down. This one's gonna be all the way up. Let's put the stickers. So what about we put this on the fridge because after we're gonna know. Good job. Now we're all flying. We're all flying in the air like we never did before.
La 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 la.
I'm not looking at you. Now let me stick it.
La 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 la. Bingy bingy bum. Let's go put in the refrigerator, Gamma.
I'm trying to stick this.
That's how to stick it.
Yes. Wait. Now
Put this sticker.
over here. I got stickers.
That's mine.
It's not yours.
Okay.
There's only pink ones. There's no purple. Wait, let me take one more time. Let's put it. You have to put it all over. Guys, look what I'm doing. Cool, huh? I'm putting it on this platform on mine to make it stay.
Look at guys, I have nails. Ah, they feel that. We just dropped them. Watch me. Guys, I'm coming back. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm eating snacks.
Look, guys, I'm almost done. How do you like it, guys? Done. I used all the stickers.
Can I see?
I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna go put it in the fridge there.
I want to see how you put it. Goodbye. you get thumbs up and go to the channels. Bye.
Hey guys.